Authentic review of the VOLTRX electric shaker. I've bought plenty of shakers in the past, but this one takes the cake. I simply add my ingredients, my protein powder, and then press this little button and it does all of the shaking and stirring for me. And it comes with a charging cable, but one charge can last up to 2 months. Once you're done stirring, just click that same button. It's 24 ounces, which means I can do 3 scoops of protein powder and around 16 fluid ounces. And the mouthpiece actually has a little lip, which I like as well. It comes with a larger handle than most for 2 fingers. This is perfect if you're on the go or if you're in between meetings. You can simply just push the little button all day long and drink your drink. It's also super easy to clean, whether you want to do it in your sink with soap and water or if you want to place it in the dishwasher. Just take the 2 pieces apart and you're good to go. I have one, my husband has one, and I bought my best friend one too. So check it out if you're on the go a lot and want to get your protein in no matter where you are.